Hey there, skincare lovers! It's time to reveal one of nature's best-kept secrets for radiant skin, honey. But before we dive in, I want to share an incredible resource with you. The Home Doctor book is a must-have for anyone interested in natural remedies and self-care. You can find the link in the description below. Now let's talk about honey. This golden elixir isn't just for sweetening your tea. It's packed with antioxidants, antibacterial properties, and acts as a natural humectant, which means it helps your skin retain moisture. Think of honey as your skin's best friend. First up, honey can work wonders as a gentle cleanser. Unlike harsh soaps, honey cleans your skin without stripping away its natural oils. Just take a small amount, mix with a bit of water, and massage it onto your face in circular motions. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. You'll be amazed at how soft and clean your skin feels. Next, let's talk about honey as a face mask. This is my favorite way to pamper my skin. Simply apply a thin layer of raw honey to your face and leave it on for about 15-20 minutes. During this time, the honey works its magic, reducing redness, calming inflammation, and giving your skin a beautiful glow. Rinse off with warm water and voila, hello, radiant skin. Now, for those dealing with acne or blemishes, honey can be a game changer. Its antibacterial properties help to fight off acne-causing bacteria. Dab a bit of honey directly onto your blemishes, let it sit for 10-15 minutes, and rinse off. With regular use, you'll notice a clearer complexion. But remember, not all honey is created equal. For the best results, always opt for raw, unfiltered honey. Manuka honey in particular is renowned for its exceptional skincare benefits. And before I go, let me remind you about the Home Doctor book. It's filled with natural remedies and health tips, making it the perfect companion for anyone serious about their health and skincare. Check it out through the link in the description below. All right, that's it for today. Give honey a try and let me know how it transforms your skin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more skincare tips. And as always, the link for the Home Doctor book is in the description below. Take care and keep glowing.